Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to check your desktop specifications. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my laptop. Now to check specification, first of all go to Start and search for About. And over here you can see About your PC. Click on this. And over here you can see device specifications. You can see here device name. Device name is desktop something something. Here you can see the processor. And here is installed RAM, device ID, product ID, and also the system type. And lastly you can find here pin and touch. So here are the detailed device specification of your laptop. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.